This week we are going to be making lions. We're going to start by drawing out our lion today using really basic shapes. As you watch the video, you can pause at any time so that you can work at your own pace and then press play again to see the next step. So if you feel like it's going a little too fast, just hit that pause button. The first step today is to draw a horizontal line. Notice this line is about as long as my hand and takes up a good amount of the paper. Next, I'm going to make a really big U. This is going to be the face of our lion, so you don't want it to be too tiny, or it's going to be very hard to draw the details of the face. Next, we're going to make some ears. These are just curved lines, but you can do any type of ear you want. Remember, if you have a different idea, you're more than welcome to do that. Now I'm just putting some little curves on the inside to make the inside of my lion's ears. Once again, remember you can pause the video at any time. So if you need to erase or go back, just pause that video and then hit play when you're ready. Next, we're going to make the eyes. I'm doing a big circle for my eyes. If you want to do a shape different than a circle, that's okay too. You want to try to make them about the same size though. Now I'm putting a horizontal line across the top to kind of make it look like eyelids. And then we all have a pupil in the middle of our eye. So I'm just making a smaller circle in the middle for the pupil. Now we're going to go down to the nose. I'm going to start with a horizontal line, and then I'm going to turn it into a triangle. Notice that my triangle is pointing down. Next, I'm making two vertical lines, and I'm just going to draw a little square on top of my triangle for the top of my nose. Now, remember once again, if you have any cool ideas, I would love to see them. You don't have to ask me for permission. If you want to give your lion sunglasses, go for it. If you want to give your lion an eye patch, I would love to see it. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside of the box. Next, we're going to go to the mouth. I just put a little line coming from the triangle. And now I'm doing a curved line on the left and right side. This is the bottom of our lion's mouth. If you want to add teeth, you can. Now I'm just adding some little dots, and then I'm going to add some whiskers. It's up to you how many whiskers you want and what they look like. I'm just doing some small straight ones. If you want, you can color in the pupil of your lion. I'm just leaving a little white circle in the middle to kind of give the eyes a shine. After that, we're done for today, and next week we're going to talk about color and how to use line to make the mane of our lion. Once you're finished, I want you to use a black crayon to go over your pencil marks. Notice that my lion is really dark and stands out. That's because I used that crayon to go over my pencil and make it show up. I know adding color is the fun and exciting part, but I want you to stop where you are once you're done outlining and put your drawing in a safe place. Next week, we're going to talk about colors and lines and all sorts of fun things that we can do with our lion. I do not want you to skip ahead though and do it right now. So please stop once you're done with your drawing and put it away until next week. Remember to go back in the Google Classroom and mark this assignment as done if you haven't already. This lets me know that you saw our lesson and finished your drawing for the day.